Hello dear students, welcome to the 8th chapter of Civics, Social Justice and the Marginalized, सामाजिक न्याय और हाशियाकरण. Student, first of all, we have to understand the meaning of the marginalized groups. Which are the marginalized groups? You know, students, in your notebook, you have seen that there is a margin on the page on which you write question answer, and on the right side you write the important things, the main things. So in the same way, in our society, some groups of people are excluded from the mainstream of the society. The reason may be age, social disparity like caste system, language and wealth status. So in this way, we say that some groups are discarded, some groups are excluded from the mainstream of the society. समाज की मुख्य धारा से उन्हें बाहर कर दिया जाता है. That are called the marginalized groups. Let us see which they are. Minorities, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes. These are minorities, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward classes. Let us see first one, minorities of India. What are minorities? What do you mean by minorities? Minorities means which are less in number in comparison to the other population of India. Which are less in number, जो संख्या में कम है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? माइनॉरिटीज, अल्पसंख्यक. अल्पसंख्यक मीन्स जो संख्या में कम है. These are called minorities. For example, Sikh, Buddhism, Christians, Muslim, etc. So these are called the minorities. Although in our constitution there are made many provisions for their welfare, for their safeguards, but they are unable to preserve their identity. Next one is scheduled caste. You can see the picture here also. Scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. Actually, British used this term depressed classes for the poor and so-called subordinate caste. Subordinate caste means lower caste. In the beginning of the 20th century, though they performed the most essential task of the society, yet because they were illiterate and because their financial position is not so strong, that's why they were discarded by the society. And if I talk about the percentage of that, 16.6% of the Indian society, they consist. After that, scheduled tribes. The term scheduled tribes is also not clearly defined in the Indian constitution. They were also discarded. उन्हें भी समाज से बाहर किया गया था because of the economically and socially. आर्थिक रूप से भी और सामाजिक रूप से भी उन्हें बाहर किया गया था. And they live in the remote areas such as hilly or mountain areas. वे कहाँ रहते हैं? पर्वतों पर, पहाड़ों पर, और you can see in isolated areas also. And these also were extremely poor and usually illiterate. Thus they were easily exploited by the moneylenders. इस तरह से उनको जमींदारों द्वारा, मनी लैंडर्स द्वारा उनका शोषण किया जाता था. Others are OBC, other backward classes. These are different from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. These are the weaker section of the society other than the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. It is applicable to all Hindu, Muslims, and other communities living in the India. The backward classes comprise nearly 52% of the total population. So in this way, we have seen that marginalized groups comprise of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, minorities, and other backward classes. So in the next video, we will come to know about the forms of social inequalities. Till then, have a nice day.